Good morning, everyone. I'm Karthi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Al Amin Engineering College, Autonomous, Erode. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic in environmental studies, ecosystem. Let us begin with the introduction. An ecosystem is a natural system where living organisms interact with each other and with their physical environment. In simple words, it is a community of living organisms along with non-living components such as air, water, and soil, functioning together as a unit. Examples of ecosystems include forest, grassland, desert, lake, and oceans. Why do we study ecosystems? We study ecosystems to understand how nature works. Every organism depends on the other organisms and environmental factors for survival. If one component is disturbed, the entire ecosystem can be affected. Study ecosystems helps us maintain ecological balance, conserve natural resources, prevent environmental damage, promote sustainable development. As engineers and professionals, this knowledge helps us design eco-friendly systems and technologies. Types of ecosystems. Ecosystems are mainly classified into two types: natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. First, natural ecosystem. These occur naturally without human interference. Natural ecosystems are further divided into terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial. These are land-based ecosystems. Examples: grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem. Next, aquatic ecosystem. These are water-based ecosystems. Aquatic ecosystems are classified into two types: marine ecosystem and freshwater ecosystem. These are classified on the basis of salt content present in it. Next, artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystems are created and maintained by humans alone. Examples: agricultural fields, gardens, aquariums, parks, etc. These ecosystems depend on human management. Next, structure of ecosystem. The structure of an ecosystem consists of two main components: biotic component and abiotic component. First one, abiotic components. These are non-living components such as air, water, soil, sunlight, temperature, minerals. They provide the necessary conditions for life. Next one, biotic components. These are living organisms and are divided into three types: producers, consumers, decomposers. First one, producers. Producers are also called autotrophs. They prepare their own food using sunlight through photosynthesis. Examples include green plants and algae. They form the base of the ecosystem because all other organisms depend on them for energy. Consumers. Consumers are also called heterotrophs. They depend on other organisms for food. They are classified into three types: primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Primary consumers are called as herbivores that eat plants. Secondary consumers are called as carnivores that eat herbivores. Next, tertiary consumers. These are top level carnivores. Consumers help maintain population balance. And next, decomposers. Decomposers include bacteria and fungi. They break down dead plants and animals into simpler substances and return nutrients to the soil. Without decomposers, waste would accumulate and nutrient cycle would stop. Next, food chain. A food chain shows how energy flows from one organism to another in a linear sequence. Energy always flows in one direction from producers to consumers. Next, types of food chain. There are two main types of food chains. One, grazing food chain. Two, deciduous food chain. Grazing food chain, it starts from green plants. Examples: leaves, caterpillar, birds. Next, grass, goat, man. In these examples, energy starts from plants and moves to herbivores and then to higher level consumers. Next, deciduous food chain. It starts from dead organic matter. Example: dead leaves, woodlouse, birds. Here the food chain begins with the dead leaves, which are eaten by woodlouse and then by birds. Both grazing and deciduous food chains are essential for ecosystem stability. Next, food web. In nature, organisms depend on multiple food sources. Many food chains are interconnected and form a complex network called a food web. Food webs provide greater stability because if one food chain is disturbed, others can support the system. From these things, we can conclude an ecosystem consists of living and non living components interacting together. It includes natural and artificial ecosystems. It contains producers, consumers, and decomposers. Energy flows through food chains and food webs. Understanding ecosystems is essential for protecting the environment and ensuring sustainable development. I hope this session is useful for you. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.